Welcome to the stage of 3 months, baby. A 3 months old baby is entering a stage where the world becomes brighter, louder, and much more interesting. Like this.
Yeah, esa boquita así tan hermosa. Sí, qué niño más hermoso. It's delicious. Oh, cosita bella de su mamá.
At this age, you can expect a mix of growing strength, clearer communication, and more organized behavior. The changes are gentle but very real, and they make this month feel like the baby is slowly waking up to life. A person will notice that the baby looks more alert, the eyes stay open longer, and the baby can follow faces or objects smoothly from side to side. Vision is improving, so the baby can now recognize familiar people from a short distance and may smile when they see someone they know. Social smiling becomes more common, and this is one of the most heartwarming signs of development. The baby may even talk back with soft cooes, gurgles, and vowel sounds, showing the early beginnings of communication. Physically, a 3 month old has better control of the head and neck. When held upright, the head doesn't wobble as much. During tummy time, the baby can lift the head and upper chest using the forearms, almost like a tiny push-up. These movements help strengthen the muscles needed for rolling and sitting later on. The arms and legs move more smoothly now, kicking back and forth with less and off the jerk newborn reflexes. Hands are often open instead of tightly closed, and the baby, as you can see, may start bringing them to the mouth, biting their fingers, chewing their fingernails pretty much, or trying to bite their toys. In terms of size, most 3 months old babies have gained noticeable weight and look rounder, especially in the cheeks and thighs. Their skin appears smoother, and facial expressions are more likely to be seen. You might see curiosity, surprise, and excitement. The baby's sleep is also becoming more organized. While still waking during the night, many babies begin to have longer stretches of sleep and more predictable daytime naps, which it varies baby to baby. And some babies in the stage of 4 or 5 months are still not sleeping properly during the night. Emotionally and socially, a 3 month old is learning that people respond to their sounds and expressions. This is why they may smile when you smile or make a happy noise when you talk to them. They enjoy faces, gentle voices, and simple play like peekaboo or singing. This interaction helps the brain grow and strengthens the bond with the caregivers. Overall, the third month is a time of growing strength, clearer communication, and more connection with the world. The baby is still small and delicate, but each week brings new abilities that show how quickly development is moving forward. As you can see, the baby now is going to a beautiful stage, a brighter way of life that makes everybody so happy and at the same time curious to know what is the next step. Thank you so much for joining us today. Hope to see you in the next episode. like, subscribe, and share. BabyBlab 24/7. See you on the next episode.